Well, the last time I was here, I seen these in the video, but I didn't stop to look at them. So today I'm stopping and looking. I wonder if that's a date, 1924. Could be. Let's see what this says. Standard Oil Company. Now that's a barrel. Look at that. Standard Oil Company. Let's look and see if this is a date. It looks like a date, 1924. Well, they held up really good for that. $55 gallons is wrote right there. 55 gallons. You know anything about these drums?
Just that they were here. They were in the MFA building over here.
Okay.
Yeah. How are you today?
Pretty good.
Good.
It says, a date on that one says 1924.
Yeah.
Standard Oil, property of Standard Oil. Wow, 55 gallons, not 50 gallons.
Legit.
Wow, so evidently Standard Oil had this property a very long time ago. I'll look into it and see if I can find out something more about it than what well, I just know they're I just know they're legit, that's for sure. Let me get a picture of this one. Wow, their tomatoes did not do as good as they should have done or could have done. And it looks like the sunflower seeds have been harvested. But yeah, it just don't look like they took as good as they could have. They should be a lot thicker. Then again, it could be the variety. I don't know. But I do know the sunflower seeds are gone. Let's walk over here and look. I ought to come in the afternoon and just hang out. Boy, that asparagus is going to do good. It takes a couple of years before they can harvest it, though. I'm pretty sure I heard somebody say that before. Eventually, the walking trail will come underneath the bridge and come all the way down to the curve in the road. And I do believe the walking trail is designed to go right past the mill. We'll see. I bet you that's the old building, or that's the old building where they got the 55-gallon drums out. And that's the old tank that was inside of the Ozark mill. You see it? They used it to hold maple syrup. At least that's what I was told. Alright, I'm gonna walk up. Oh, I'm zoomed in on myself. Dadgummit. Yeah. I'm gonna walk up in here and just see how cool it is, because they really put some good insulation in this building. I know that for a fact because I videotaped a lot of it. All right, I'll tell you what it feels like when I talk to you next time.